ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಜನರ ಸೇವೆ ಜನಾರ್ದನ ಸೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಬಾಬಾ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆ ಒಂದು ದಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಬಾಬಾರ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. All the side roads are informed. It is a date occasion. Since from the date of inception of this temple, we are distributing pen, pencil, books and bags to the poor students in the government schools situated in Kolar district. And that is being done with a hope that everyone get educated in this country, so that what the little help that we can give to them accordingly. We request all the Sai devotees to help in the manner which is required, by way of cash, by way of books, by way of pen, by way of pencil, by way of bags also. You can donate and get the lessons from my temple manager. Sai Bhaktuల వినంతి విశేషమైన కార్యక్రమం ఇది. దేవస్థానం అయినప్పటికీ ఇక్కడ నడుపుతా ఉన్నాము. స్కూల్ స్టార్ట్ అయిన 1 month లో పుస్తకాలు, పెన్ను, బ్యాగులు అంతాను పేద పిల్లవారికి సర్కారీ గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్లో ఇస్తున్నాము.